Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 57, making polygons on a geoboard and identifying the angles of a polygon. So a geoboard is a board that has a bunch of nails in it. On mine you see all these dots, okay? These dots are representing the nails, okay? What you do is you use rubber bands on the board to make shapes. The bands we use, we're going to call them geobands. They're the same as rubber bands, but we want to think of these as math materials, so we call them geobands, because geobands we do not shoot at each other like you do with rubber bands. Okay, we need to use these appropriately. Okay, so let's say I want to make a shape on this board. Okay, so I'm going to take my geoband and make a line there, a line here, and a line across here. So what shape did I make? Well, I made a polygon, and this one happens to be called a triangle. Now, if you look, we have some points, and the points are where the lines meet. And this is called a corner of a triangle, but mathematicians call it an angle. Okay, so triangles have 3 angles. 1, 2, and 3. So now I want to make a polygon that has 4 sides. Okay, so a polygon with 4 sides would be, so with a rubber band you would just use one rubber band and you would just stretch it across all these points. I can't show that so well here, but you'll work on it in class. Okay, so we have a shape here and it has 4 sides. Since it has 4 sides, how many corners or angles does it have? If you look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, or we'd say it has 4 angles. Okay, so this polygon happens to be a square. You could also make a rectangle if I made these lines longer. If I continued these lines out like this, this would be a rectangle. And a rectangle also has 4 angles. Okay. All right. So that's kind of how we make shapes on your geoboard. You'll get more practice in class. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.